Once more at the heart of controversy, former President Donald Trump is disputing the value of his Mar-a-Lago home with Judge Arthur Engoron and New York Attorney General Letitia James. On Monday, March 25, 2024, Trump reportedly voiced his disapproval of the court decision that valued Mar-a-Lago at $18 million, arguing that this amount is much less than the property's true value, which he estimates is between 50 and 100 times greater. He made these assertions using his Truth Social account. The intentions for the appraisal and the Attorney General's involvement are being questioned by Trump's charges, which are part of his ongoing legal challenges and conflicts with James. Judge Engoron's decision, which arose from a case the New York Attorney General's office filed against the Trump Organization, is at the center of the controversy. The complaint aimed to ascertain the value of other properties held by Trump, including Mar-a-Lago, and also alleges financial irregularities within the corporation. Considering that Mar-a-Lago is a prominent private club and Trump's home, Engoron's appraisal of the property at $18 million caused some controversy. Trump has publicly disputed this estimate, stating that Mar-a-Lago is worth significantly more. He has demanded an explanation of the methodology used in this valuation from Attorney General James as well as Judge Engoron. The already tense relationship between Trump and James, who has been a vociferous opponent of the president, has worsened as a result of Trump's accusations of corruption and conspiracy between the judge and the Attorney General. This raises the question: how did the New York Attorney General coerce Judge Engoron to minimize Mar-a-Lago's worth? Understanding the judicial system and the Attorney General's function in these situations is key to finding the solution. The court uses facts and expert testimony to assess the worth of assets in civil lawsuits, such as the one against the Trump Organization. Parties frequently disagree with the value that the other side has proposed. In this instance, the Attorney General's office most likely provided Mar-a-Lago's own valuation based on evaluations and financial calculations. After considering the facts put out by each party, the court renders a decision. It is crucial to remember that judges must make decisions based on the law and the facts and are constrained by legal norms. Trump has made grave claims of collaboration and corruption, all of which need to be looked into in detail. It is crucial to keep in mind, though, that contested claims and counterclaims are frequently a part of legal conflicts. The Mar-a-Lago value is only one facet of a larger legal dispute between Trump's legal team and the New York Attorney General's office. The disagreement on Mar-a-Lago's valuation reflects the long-standing hostility between Letitia James and Donald Trump. Trump's claims are grave, but they need supporting documentation. The legitimacy of the valuation will eventually be decided by the courts. Thus, it is best to let the legal procedure play out. Additionally, Letitia James, the Attorney General of New York, expressed her deep sadness on social media on Monday night, March 25th, at the untimely death of NYPD officer Jonathan Diller, who was slain while performing his duty and defending the city. James tweeted, "My heart is heavy tonight. It was a moving message. While defending our community, Officer Diller was killed in the course of duty. His service will always be remembered in New York, and my thoughts are with his family and the whole NYPD community." The statements of the Attorney General struck a chord with the general sense of sorrow that engulfed New York City in the wake of the devastating announcement of Officer Diller's premature passing. During a routine traffic check in the Queens neighborhood of Far Rockaway, the 31-year-old police officer was shot and killed, leaving behind a distraught wife and a mourning law enforcement community. At approximately 5:50 p.m. on Monday, Officer Diller and his colleague reportedly went up to a car that was parked illegally at a bus stop on Mott Avenue. The guy produced a gun and pointed it at the officers as they got closer to the car, starting a gunfight. Sadly, under his bulletproof vest, Officer Diller was hit in the chest and died at Jamaica Hospital Medical Center from his wounds. The city was shocked to learn of Officer Diller's passing, and Mayor Eric Adams expressed his condolences to the officer's family and praised his bravery. He exposed himself to danger. Commissioner Edward Caban of the NYPD stated, "He went towards the danger in order to protect his fellow New Yorkers and to keep the people we serve safe." Attorney General James' words were echoed by Patrick Hendry, president of the New York City Police Benevolent Association, who asked everyone in the city to pray for Officer Diller's family during this terrible time.